Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to do a DIY bun for your dolls and on top of that, customized for Christmas. Be sure to comment down below and subscribe when you're done with this video to see more holiday specials. You're going to need a doll, anything that you like to use to decorate your doll's hair, bobby pins, hairpins, hair ties, bows, and all of that stuff will be good. Also, you'll need a small towel and a plastic bowl with water inside. First, I filled the plastic bowl with water and then continuously dipped my doll's hair inside of it. This is the hair all done. So now I'm just brushing out the hair to get all the tangles out. Here's her hair all brushed up. It's so much shinier than before. So now let's get to making the actual bun. So now I'm just putting my doll's hair up in a ponytail so later we can twist and roll it into an actual bun. So now I am twisting the hair and then rolling it up into a bun and securing it with a hairband. So there are a few pieces of hair sticking up. So to fix that, you can just use some water and wet your hands and just use your fingers to just kind of lay that down. Now I am using some bobby pins and hair clips to secure the hair, and you want to make sure these are really hidden. I think I'm going to do mine over here. To do that, you can just push it in really far and kind of blend it in with the hairband, Here it is. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to comment below what holiday special you would like next. And be sure to subscribe so we can give you some more videos. Bye! As the countdown begins, Christmas in the Avila home becomes so much fun. DIYs and more will entertain you this Christmas season. As the family begins their Christmas adventure, they'll find so many things out. Your dollhouse will be in good shape too because these DIYs will deck out the dollhouse. So subscribe to Avila, hang on tight, stay tuned, bye!